Hello guys, welcome to my channel The Legend Prakash. I am Mr. Prakash Markami from Odisha Malkangiri, belonging from small village Sidimal. I hope you all are fine, and in this video I will show you after catching fishes the size of fishes and how much money I have invested in fish farming and how much benefit I got it from this investment. I will share these things to you all. So watch till end. Let's start this video. First of all, I have invested in fish farming nearly 12 to 13,000 rupees along with fish nutrition, and I have left 30 to 40 kgs fishes on my phone, and I have left before 7 months ago. I have left 23rd July 40 kgs fishes, and I am catching on March. After 7 months you will see the size of fishes. So let's watch the size of fishes. Finally fisherman caught fishes. See some fishes. It's Katlas, it's Rupsan. Finally we are measuring the fishes. Fisherman caught nearly 62 kgs. I have left 35 to 40 kgs and I got 65 kg, and due to more water and muddy water it is tough to catching fishes. You can see the size of fishes. I had spent nearly 13,000 and I have collected right now 10,000, and some fishes are left there due to muddy water and the grasses. They are hiding inside the grasses or inside the mud. So after drying the water we will catch once again. Last year I had invested 10,000 and I got 15,000. If you want to do fish farming, you better to consult with the expert who have been doing fish farming nearly 10 to 15 years ago, because they have experienced how to grow fishes, how to nurturing the fishes, and they will tell you according to area of pond how much fishes need to be farmed. So this is the short message. So thank you all. I hope you have watched till end without skipping. So take care. Bye. See you in next video.